Hello everyone. Welcome to a new video of Excel templates. Today I want to show you guys this awesome new advanced options calculator. With this new template you will be able to create your own trading strategies. From iron condors, calendar spreads, and so on. As you can see, there are different parts in this template that I am going to explain you one by one. Let's get started. First of all, you need to establish the starting date of your options contract, the risk-free rate the market has right now, any dividends the stock or ETF may have during the lifetime of your options contract, and the multiplier, which in general will always be 100. Then you need to take a look at the strategies set up. You will be able to create up to 8 customized legs for any of your options strategies. If you are just using 2 legs, you can eliminate the rest to have a clear view. Another option is leaving the number of contracts in 0. For the underlying price, you just need to set the price in the first column. The rest will be added automatically. Strike and volatility values needs to be added individually. For the expiration date, you have 2 options. The default one is to set the date on just the first column and the rest will be added automatically. If you trade different contract months, you can give each leg their own expiration date. Be aware that if the expiration date is before the actual date we have established before, we will see everything with a formula error like this. Lastly, if you are trading short positions, you just need to put a negative value on the number of contracts. Nothing more. Now that we have covered the setup, we can see each of our leg premiums. The black premium differs from the blue line in that it will have a price value only on those contracts that have a number different from 0. The net value will show that premium multiplied by the multiplier from above. The combination of all of our contract premiums will tell us if we are net credits or debits, shown here. Next comes the Greeks. I won't stop to explain them here, but they are key concepts to understand if you want to master trading with options. The net combination of each of our Greeks is going to be shown here. Moreover, you have this cool graph which represents how each one of our Greeks fluctuates on each underlying price movement. You can also take a look on where to put your stop loss or profit targets and how much money you will make or lose now, compared to at the expiration date. The main view in this advanced options calculator is this graph. Here you can see right away how your strategy will work based on the parameters you have set before. You can change the starting date and see how close you are to the theoretical line in orange. You can modify the starting point of the underlying price from here. And you can also shorten or lengthen it. Another really cool feature this template has is seeing how a specific price movement on the underlying asset will affect our P&L in Greeks. They are already set up to a 30% price movement, but you can change it as you wish. Lastly but not least, on the right side of our template you can take a closer look to your profit and loss strategy with this awesome tool. It will calculate how much money you are winning or losing each day in each underlying price, based on everything remaining equal.